Today I will show you how to write Python program, simple Python program. Don't worry, I will start only with the simple one. But just before writing in the computer, I have to give some concept about the program. That is what actually we will use inside our coding. That means coding means it is a group of instruction that is given to the computer. So if we do not give any instruction, then computer cannot perform anything. So first of all, in the Python, here you see I am writing one word, that is object. So now the Python is an object-oriented programming language, as you have the idea about object-oriented programming language. So you know what is object. So everything that is present in the world is an object, like the person, the computer, the chair, everything that is taken as an object. And these objects are inside a class. So like C++, class is a group of interrelated distinct variables, group of data. So systematically we enclose all the data inside a class. So all the objects are instances of class. Now you see in a program we have to use some variables in the computer. So in the computer program we will use some variables, that is memory variable. But in Python, the Python deals memory variable in a different way. So what it does, actually all variable names in Python are said to be references to the value. So in a Python program, the variable names that is used in the Python are said. So inside a Python program we are going to use some memory variable, and in Python has the variable, it refers to the value like this. So in the memory, suppose we are taking the variable, it refers to the value 13. Okay, so unlike in other languages, what happens, the values reference to the variable. So let's switch into the computer screen. So in my today's class I am going to show you how to use Python ideally that is using interactive mode and in script mode. So from here you just start ideally a Python. So here you will see this screen, and in this interactive mode whatever we give, that will be immediately we will get it back. Say suppose I am giving here tree, this is, we have seen this tree is coming back. This is known as the Python prompt. So whatever we write here, that will be shown here. Here you see I am not giving any print statement, but still only writing hello all within quotation mark. You will get it back as a string hello all. So if I write 3 plus 4, I will get 7. If I write 9 divided by 7, I am getting 1.2857142857, this one. So 9 /7, here you will see the result is coming different. Here we are getting so many digits after the decimal point, but here only 1 is coming, that is only the integer value. So this double slash, it is known as floor division. So when we give this, instead of this single slash, if we give double slash, we will get the integer part 1 point, this will be truncated. Similarly, if I write 9.6 plus 5.6, I am getting this statement. But here you see, here only one statement we can write and immediately we will get it back. But in the script mode also we can write a program, that means more than one statements, we can make a block. For that, first you have to click on file, then new file. So here you will see the notepad editor that is coming with the untitled one. Here if I write 3, then 9 divided by 7, then 9 double slash 7. The same statement we wrote in the interactive mode, and here this one. Now I will save it. This will come. I will save it in the desktop, and it will be save as type. I am here text file, all files are there, but you can if you don't select this Python files, in that case you have to write the name along with the extension py. I am giving easy first. So here if I don't give any extension, then also it will be saved in the extension with the extension py, but better to use for your you may forget or something may happen, so better to use the extension. So now I will save it. So it has been stored in the desktop. Now this one, print within parentheses the value, print within parentheses the value. So now here you see, now I will save it again, and then I will run with the F5 one. So here you see it is shown the syntax error, unexpected indent. So what does it mean? Indentation is a very important thing in Python. Here you see the first line, I am writing not from the first column. Here one gap is there, so I have to maintain the indentation. That means these are the same statement, equivalent statement, so we have to put all the things in the same column. Now again we have to save it. After changing, we have to each time change it. Now I will run it F5. Here you see this time in the Python prompt it is coming. Okay, so this is the script mode. So for writing program, Python program in script mode, you have to open the file from the Python 3.82 cell. So today you have learned how to use the script mode using Notepad with the interactive mode also, and in my next class we will discuss different type of data and then using memory variables. That's all for today.